People said chewing sticks are unhygienic, so scientists looked at them under a microscope. And the results were more complicated than most people expected. Yes, an unclean chewing stick can carry bacteria, especially if it's old, contaminated, or badly stored. But across parts of Africa, people traditionally used medicinal plants like bitter kola and neem for oral cleaning. As the fibers break apart, they physically scrub plaque from the teeth. But the real surprise is the chemistry. These plants contain natural compounds linked to antimicrobial activity, meaning they can interact with oral bacteria while you chew them. So this wasn't just a stick being rubbed on teeth. It was mechanical cleaning and plant chemistry working together. The science wasn't hidden in how modern it looked, but in the biology inside the plant.